Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think you could have actually dip on the wrong side of things and end up outside of God's kingdom? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now is a very good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 21 from verse 33 to verse 46. Hear the Torah too. You will have one man we own one grape farm, and the man plant up him farm. Him put up one wall all around it, dig out one hole in the ground, for crush out the grape for make wine, and build up one place on top of the wall for the guard watch over the farm. Then him rent it out to some farmer and go foreign. When the grape them ripe up now, and a time for pick them, him send his servant them, go him tenant them, for collect what him forget from him farm. But the tenant them hold on pan the servant them, beat one, kill one, and stone the other one. So he send some other servant, and the tenant them treat them the same way. So the man reached the last straw now and send his owner boy picnic go to them. Hear him now? Them will respect my boy. But when the tenant them see the boy, them say to them one another, say, and that one ya, I go get everything when him father did. Come, make we kill him and take what him woulda get. So them grab him, throw him off of the farm and kill him. Now, when the owner for the farm come back, what uno think him a go do with them tenant there? The answer say, him a go kill off them all wicked there and take him farm and rent it to other tenant. We go give him where him forget when him grape them ready. Jesus said to them, say, uno ne read in a God word say, the rock stone where the builder fling way, it all up the building now. And the Lord do this. And we eye open up wide when we see the sitting where him do. And that make me tell you, say God kingdom I go take away from uno and give the people them we go bear fruit. Who drop on that stone here, I go broke up in a pieces. And who it drop on, I go mash up bad. When the head priests and Pharisee people them hear Jesus story, them will sound like wriggle. Then catch say, at them him did a throw word pan. Them did one lock him up. But the crowd of people them make them catch them afraid. Because the people them did take Jesus for one profit. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.